Hi there, YouTubies, and today I am going to show you how to make chicken rice pilaf, Armenian chicken rice pilaf, using Chinese tap ramen chicken noodles. And so we're going to take something that's not Armenian at all, something that's Chinese, and we're going to turn it into something Armenian. And so the way we will do this is the next thing I'm going to use to make the pilaf is 1/2 a butter stick. Okay, and then next thing I'm going to use is big wooden spoon ladle, and okay, I took the Chinese noodle out. I broke it up. I put it in the pan with the butter. I broke the Chinese noodles up with the butter, and now it's gonna melt in the pan as I stir it, and then I'm gonna brown it too. Then I'll show you what happens. Okay, as you can see, the butter is starting to melt with the noodles, and I'm gonna stir it up, and then we'll see you again. Right now the butter is smelling pretty good. Sorry, there's no instrument on the computer that helps you smell things in the video. Maybe someday in the future they'll have that. Hi there again. Here's the pot, and I will show you what I did to the Chinese romaine noodles to make pilaf. As you can see, I had to burn them a little, and I made them nice and roasty. And next thing we're going to do is show it to you again. Next thing we're going to do is, I'll lower it for now. I will go to the fridge, and here's something you can't find in a food store too often. You can only find it in a Middle Eastern shop. It's called bulgur, or bolhod, they would say. It's popular in the Middle East. It's cracked wheat, ground up wheat, some kind of part of the wheat that they ground up. And so I'm going to add a little bit of that, just a little bit, and I'm going to stir it. I hope you could see that. Okay, and be right back again. Hi there again. Now it's time to add the pilaf, and that means rice in Armenian. And so I'm going to use brown rice. Usually they use white rice. This rice is opened. Oh no, it's not. Yeah, it is. Okay. I'm going to pour it in a measuring cup. Just 1 cup of it like this. Here we go. Alright, and I'll put the rice right there for now. And then you will see the next thing I'm going to do. Here's the sink. Here's a big bowl. I have to pour the rice in this big bowl and I have to wash it like this. The reason why we do that is because we got to get all the dirt and grains out, the sand out of there, or else it's going to get in the food. Always make sure you have a screen in the sink to make sure that the sink doesn't get clogged. I had to unclog the sink just the other day. Some of it may wash into the sink. You can expect that. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is, there's the pot. I have to put it right in. And then I'm going to start stirring it like this. It'll look like that. I'm going to turn the heater back on to medium. And the next thing is I have to add 2 cups of water, they said. One cup and 2 cups and then we put the lid on it just to we cover it so it steams, and then we'll see you back soon to see if it boils up. Hi there, YouTube. It's not ready yet, but as you can see, it's still I'm still stirring it, and it's still watery and everything's still loose. I'm going to add 2 cups of hot water. Even though the instructions said add only 2 cups, I'm going to add 2 more cups because it looks like it needs more hot water because of everything else I put in it. I'm using a hot water that's already been heated. That way it doesn't take a long time to boil. And then can't forget that I was supposed to add also the chicken bouillon from the Chinese ramen noodle packet, and so then I'm gonna add that right now too, and in it goes. And then now I'm stirring it up. And here's what it looks like right now. It's just like a soup right now, but I'm going to have to show it to you again. Yeah, there you can see that. And next thing we'll do is, as you can see, it's being stirred. I'm going to get put this spoon on the side, and then I'm going to get a lid. I'm going to put it on top like this, and I will see you back when it's cooked. Hi there, I'm back. It's not cooked yet. I just hardly, it hardly came from the last time we were here, but I just wanted to add something else. Let's see here. It's not healthy to just have butter and noodles and pilaf without adding some vegetable. Also, it gives the vegetable a lot of flavor too. Otherwise, you wouldn't want to eat it too much, and that's not healthy. And so, I'm gonna add some. Let's see, where is this? I'm adding mixed vegetables with limes, string beans, and carrot and peas, and some corn. It's just a little bit. I'm not going to put too much because it'll change the recipe into something that's vegetable. But this is just a little bit of vegetable I want to add to it just to keep things healthy. Now it'll cook for a while, so see you next time. Hi there. It's still a soup, so you just have to stir it. It was one thing to burn the noodles to the pan, but now that you're actually cooking the rice in and boiling it, you don't want to burn the rice, and so you have to just keep stirring it like this once in a while, and then you put the pan on top, back on top, and you let it steam, just like that. Hi there again. In case you wanted to look at it, it's not ready yet, but I'll show you the progress. The vegetables, they melted, and it's still a soup so far. About almost 20 minutes went by, and I'm going to add something else that many Armenians love to add. To pilaf is olive oil, and it's very healthy to add olive oil too. There we go, that's enough. And so then other times they add unhealthy things sometimes, like lard, chicken lard and beef lard, but when they want to be healthy they add olive oil. Okay, we'll see what happens next. Hi there, YouTube. While it's cooking, I'm thinking of maybe adding some spices. Some black pepper right here. One packet is okay for me. That's it. And then I'll stir it, and also I wanted to add some well, there we are. I wanted to add a little bit of salt. This is Himalayan salt. The reason why it's pink is because it came from rocks, not from the ocean. I get a pinch of this stuff, see? And then I put it in like this. And then maybe I'll put another pinch of it, a bigger pinch like this. Maybe a third. There we go. Make it salty. That's good. And then it's almost cooked, but not there yet. I'm also going to add some other spices. Here's some celery salt. I'll add a little bit of that. And it's really salt. Now, next I will add garlic powder. Oh, that's plenty. And open it up like this, and I'm gonna cover it and let it steam up, and it'll take a while to puff up. Hi there, YouTube. It's the moment you all been waiting for, to see how the pilaf is doing and that it's all cooked now. And I'm gonna taste test it and tell you how it tastes. And I have to show it to you. And there you have it. It's Armenian pilaf, made entirely from Chinese noodle romaine packet. Now I'm going to taste test it for you and see how it'll taste. This is how it looks. And I'll get you another spoon to see it to you. I don't know if you can eat it from the camera. It probably won't work. There you go. Okay. And there we go. Here's the... Alright. And let's see if we can... Alright, and now I'm gonna see how it tastes, so I can tell you that it's very hot. It's very, very hot. I'll shut the camera off for it to cool down. Hi there, it's sort of cooling down now. I just didn't want to burn my mouth. I'll try it right now. The flavor is very good. The vegetables are good. The rice is a little bit still hard, but as it sits a little bit like overnight, and it'll get softer, especially when you reheat it up. And that's how you do it. That's how you make Armenian pilaf from Chinese noodles. Bye for now.